Hello everyone, I am Prateek from MakeForms and this is day one of the launch week at MakeForms. So we've got something amazing coming up at MakeForms and these are the new features that I want to walk you through personally. So let's start with our first feature, which is the admin fields. So this was a feedback that we received from many people that there are certain fields that the admin person or like the person who is not filling up the form but the one who is looking at the responses would like to kind of update it from the backend. So that's why we came up with something called as admin fields. So let's take a quick look at that. So for that, what you will do is let's open up any one of our existing forms. So for example, we have this marathon registration form. So I'll quickly open this up. And by the way, this particular feature is available for all your forms. So you will go to your form settings and then you will see something called as enable admin fields. So you will enable your admin fields, and as soon as you do that, you will have a fourth tab coming up here which says admin fields. So you will go here and then these are certain kinds of fields that you can update. So let's say I want to add a date picker and name this as date of the event, for example. And then I also want to have a checkbox where I say which events to which days to send an update, just something random. Okay, and here I would say Monday and Wednesday and Friday, for example. Okay, and then I will also add another text area saying comments if any. And what we'll do is we'll quickly publish this form, and once it's published, what we'll also do is we'll fill up this form ourselves. So I just go in here and I quickly fill out the and I'll submit this. Now you can see that when I go into my responses in the results and I open this particular submission, you can see there is something called as admin field. So I will just edit it and then I will update it. So here is the date and I want to have this, and then I want to say comments if any approved, for example, and I will save this. So this way you can literally have the admin fields set up for your form, and then you can update those fields for each and every response. So this is the new amazing feature that you guys can check out right now. It's live on MakeForms, and wait for our day 2 of the launch week. Thank you.